Welcome back to another video, guys. So I took a sell trade on 75 index. I just got into the sales at this point and had my stop loss at this level, so I'll be sharing with you guys my market analysis on this index. We'll be having a top-down analysis, basically having a market breakdown on this index. Price action strictly. We're analyzing from the higher time frame down to the lowest time frame, possibly the 1 minute time frame or the 5 minute time frame in this video. And a lot of you guys have complained that I'm fast with my analysis, I'm fast in my videos. So I've come to understand, because a lot of beginners view my video, which I have to be slow with my analysis and carry everyone along, so let's go to the weekly time frame firstly. So on the weekly time frame on V75 index, like I do say, whenever I want to analyze the market, whenever I want to look at for trade opportunities, we start from the higher time frame. It can be the weekly time frame, it can be the monthly time frame, and it can be the daily time frame. Reasons is so you can be able to see the overall market direction, so you can be able to see the bigger picture of the market on the higher time frame, so you can be able to have a bigger view on the market. It would help with our market approach. For the weekly time frame on 75 index, we've seen the overall market direction. That's the first thing we identify where the market is headed to, and we can tell the market is in a downtrend. Identify the market trend first on the higher time frame, then you go to the lower time frame to walk alongside with that market trend, with that market direction. So we can tell that the market is in a downtrend, creating lower highs and lower lows. We got a high at that point, we got another high. This is the market structure, basically the market direction, and we got another high at this point, a lower high. We got another high at this point as well, another lower high. We got a low at this point. Identify the market structure. Make sure you are convinced with the market direction. Make sure you have taking note of where the market is headed to. And we got another low at this point, a lower low, and another low at this point, lower low. So we got the last lower low at this point, basically. Got the last lower low here on 75 index. This is the overall market direction. This is the market structure on the weekly time frame. Now, what's the market situation basically on this current price level? What is the market situation at this point on the weekly time frame? We've seen that this weekly time frame is looking bullish. We had a bullish candle formation on the weekly time frame on 75 index, but I took a sell trade at this point. So what's my reason of selling 75 index at that zone? We have a level of resistance here. Let's clear this thing first. Let's clear this so we can have a clear chart. So we have this level of resistance at this zone, basically. This level of resistance here. Yeah, because we've seen past market reaction on this level as a resistance here. Market tested this zone, sold on the test of it, came back to the same level again, sold. There was a break of this level, then we had this market moves at this point. We can't really say the market sold or bought from this level, but we can tell at this point that we had a break of this level. It was a break and retest of this level of resistance, don't support at this zone. So we got the break, retest, the price to the upside, and we got another level of resistance as well. We have this level as a level of resistance at this zone. There was a break of this level, resistance broke and turned to support, the price to the upside. So these are the key levels we have on the weekly time frame, and we have another level 2 at this point on 75 index, a level that the market is reacting on currently. Market bought from as a support, we got the buys on this level 2 as a support. There was a break below this level as a resistance. We couldn't get a retest on it as a support, broken, retested, turned resistance, but we got the market break back inside this level. You can see this clearly at this point. There was a break back inside of this level, a test on it as a support. We got the buys to the upside. So this level was a support at this zone, and it's still a support So do we expect the market to buy to the upside? And we just had the previous week candle close, which is this particular candle, and it closed in a bullish engulfing way. I short this index at this point because I'm expecting the market to sell to a particular level for a retest for the price to the upside in the coming days and weeks on 75 index. So on the daily time frame on this index, you can see the market has been consolidating. Basically, market has been in a range, creating equal highs and equal lows. We got the highs at this point, we got the highs at this point, and we got the lows at this zone. It's already identified here. We got the lows here. This level has been a support level, a very strong level, because the market has failed to break below this level. Whenever the market gets to this level, it buys, it buys, it buys. Market has always bought on the test of this level. Even when we check the previous market moves, we can tell that this has been a key level, an important level on 75 index. We got the buys here, the buys here, the buys here. We had multiple market reaction on this level. So at the moment, the market is reacting on a level of resistance. That's one of the reasons I sold this index at this point. We had this level as a level of resistance here, resistance at this point. So if the market can sell from here on the test of it, we are likely to still get the sells from this same level on the test of it. And you can see that the past few days, the market has been bullish on 75 index. We've had this long bullish run. We had about 1, 2, 3, 4 bullish days on this index. And we've had 4 days of bullish moves on 75 index. So currently the market is reacting on a level of resistance, because you can tell that market sold on the test of this level. You can tell the market sold on the test of this level, and the approach on this level got the sells at this point. We got another sells as well at this level. We got another sells at this level. Market rejected, sold to the downside. You can see the rejection here. Sold, the rejection here as well. Market sold. So there's still a possibility of the market selling on the test of this same level, because you can tell with the past market moves we had on it that whenever the market gets to this point, it sells. So you're likely to get the market still sell on the test of this level from this current zone. So that's why I took the sell at this point. That's my first view. And we have this downtrend. This is a descending channel basically, but you can see this clearly on the 4-hour time frame. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So the 4-hour time frame, we have this descending channel at this point, this descending channel, and you can see the market has been in a range. These like descending channels are reversal pattern formations, which we all know. So they come up whenever I want to get the market reversed to the upside. So this descending channel gave us this bullish move we got at this point, we can tell. So currently the market is reacting on a level of resistance. So we're expecting these sells to the downside. We're expecting these sells on this current price level to the downside on 75 index. And we have a zone as well. We have a level of resistance at this zone that got broken to support currently, because we've seen past market moves on this level. Market sold from here as a resistance, sold from here as a resistance, still sold from here as a resistance, before we got the breakout at this point. Before this breakout, we also had a reversal pattern formation, a double bottom formation, which is a nice reversal pattern. We got the first low at this point, and we got the second low at this point. So we're likely to get the market sell from this current level to the downside to come test this broken level of resistance, turn to support. And at this point, we also have a neckline of this double bottom formation, which is a reversal pattern, a bullish reversal pattern. You know, we got the neckline at this point. So we're likely to get the market sell to this zone to come retest this neckline for the buys to the upside. So that's my view. That's what gave me the sell idea at this zone. Firstly, the resistance level identified at this point, and secondly, the reversal pattern formation, the neckline of this reversal pattern formation that is yet to get tested. So we're expecting the market to sell to this zone for the buys in the coming days and hours on 75 index. So more sells expected. The sells expected basically. We already got a pattern formation at this point, a double top formation at this zone, and we have this uptrend that got broken as well. There was an uptrend at this point that got broken. There was a break of trend at this zone, which you also have to take note of. So everything looking bearish at this point, I can see, because there was a break of trend here, then a retest of it at this zone. My stop loss at this point. I'll be getting more entries because I just had only 2 entries, a 0.005 entry and 0.002 entry. managing my risk, basically my stop loss at this point. My first TP would be at this zone, my first TP would be here, and my last TP would be at this point. My last TP level would be at this zone. So that's my outlook on this index. That's my market analysis. The sell is expected. I'll be having more entries by the end of this video, and I'll give you guys an update on how the trade played out. So that's it, guys. That's my market analysis. That's a top-down analysis on 75 index. Let's check the 15-minute time frame basically to have a view on this market formation. At this level, we also have a level of support that got broken, turned resistance here. You can see it clearly at this point. Is a level of support, a support here, a support here. It got broken basically, and we are having the retest on it at this point. So we can get the market push a little bit to the upside. We can get a little push to the upside to this zone for more sales. So I'll be shorting this index. I'll be taking more sales at this point. My stop loss is still at this zone, so the sales expected basically on this index because there was a break of structure here, a break of this last higher low at this point. It got invalidated, so the sales expected from this current level to the downside. So that's my analysis basically. That's my view on this index. This is a clear level of resistance, a key level to take more sales on. So that's it, guys. Drop a good comment on this market analysis and trade review. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. To my returning viewers, I appreciate the support for engaging my videos. It really means a lot, guys. Let's do more and have a wonderful day. Peace.